In this video, we're going to talk about trading indicators, specifically the Crusader trading indicator. A lot of people look at a price chart, all I can see is candlesticks. They can't identify whether you're bullish, whether you're bearish, whether you're trading in a range. And this indicator is designed to simplify your trading by telling you exactly where the buy zones are, where the sell zones are, and we've got the data to back it up. So this is the Crusader indicator. Let's dive in. Right, okay, lesson number one in trading. This is a key lesson. Simplicity is key. And I mean that because 20% of trading is actually technicals, 80% is psychology. What's up here? So if you've got something that you can add on the chart that can simplify your strategy and ensure that you've got rules built in to know exactly when you need to make a move, when you need to take an entry, when you need to take an exit, it takes out a lot of the psychology behind it. And that's why I'm working with Levi on this, because it's an indicator that is designed for people that are looking to get into trading, for people that are new to get into trading, but ultimately to give them that rule based strategy. And we're going to talk more about that in later videos. But this is the indicator that he's designed, and it is the highest level of buy and sell signals available for all asset classes. All asset classes, guys. It's not just crypto. It uses real-time data to ensure that you never miss an entry or an exit. So we're going to look at that very shortly, and we're going to look at the results from the last 47 trades very shortly as well. Before we get into that, guys, where can you get that? You can get that on my channel, link in the description. So you'll see it here, Crusader. Any single one of my videos, you'll see this, Crusader Signal Indicator. Click that link, you'll get yourself a little discount as well. So what does the indicator look like? Let's dive into the charts. And this is what a naked price chart looks like. This is Bitcoin, and this is the 15-minute chart. So each one of these candles represents 15 minutes of price action. Now, you look at the chart now. Where would you buy? Where would you sell? How could you know exactly when to buy, when to sell, and how could you keep some kind of a rule-based strategy by just looking at a naked price chart? This is where the Crusader indicator comes in. So if we just click this, you look at the chart now, keep an eye on the chart now, and then now look at this. You've got sell signals, you've got sell signals, you've got sell signals. What about down here? Buy signals, buy signals. So it makes it dynamic. You're buying on the way down, you're selling on the way up. How can you get a better edge in the market? This is the 15-minute. You can times that by 4 and you can go into the 1 hour. Go into the 1 hour. What does that allow you to do? Understand exactly what the higher time frame bias is. So you go into the higher time frame bias, you understand that you're bullish, you're putting in higher highs, you're putting in higher lows. But what you're understanding that you need to do is at the moment we need to pull back. How do we know we need to pull back? Because we've just had a sell signal, we've just hit a top, we're starting to pull back, and we're miles away from this line here. So this is actually telling us where to buy, where to sell. You go into the higher time frame, that gives you additional confluence. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you flowing with the trend? Are you going against the trend? Whether you're looking for entries, whether you're looking to take exits, this indicator tells it all. So we're going to go into actual strategies very, very, very shortly in the next few videos. But firstly, this is the results from Levi. This is the last 47 trades, and this is based on a 10,000 portfolio with a 30% trade balance. And what he's done over the last 47 trades by just using this strategy is get 41,505. So this is tested, this is proven. You need to look and you need to test this on yours. Is it Bitcoin you're trading? Is it something more volatile? Because I'll tell you something, if it is something that's more volatile, let's look at a different chart. If it is something that's more volatile, I'll be transparent. Let's go with alluvium. What happens now is you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loads of sell signals, loads of buy signals. You need to go on something that's got high liquidity built into the asset class or into the pair, and then ensure that that has got a high probability of not making volatile, huge swings to the upside, to the downside, and then skewing the results. So by having something stable like Bitcoin, by having something stable like Ethereum, by having something stable even like stocks like gold, commodities, all sorts of different asset classes, as long as they've got high liquidity built into them, then this thing will work a lot better. So look at that compared to Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin is a hell of a lot more structured when it comes up. Bitcoin is a hell of a lot more structured. So basically, That's the Crusader signal. We're not going to go over step-by-step strategy plans on how we can use this just yet. I just wanted to show you this. Let me know in the comments. Do you want to see more of this? Let me know in the Discord group. Do you want to see more of this? Because this is the first time that you've seen this, guys. So that's about it from me for now, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments. Do you want to see more of this? I'll be bringing more content of this Crusader signal with my own analysis, my own results, my own strategy. I'm going to be developing this. I'm going to be testing it over the next few days, and then I'm going to be bringing you the results. So take care of yourself, and goodbye from me.